Hey, today we're here in Walmart looking for some of the little Nano Racers they put out, the little bitty 1/64th radio control cars. There's some back there. We did the Mustang, the Corvette, the Jeep. We're looking for the Ford Bronco. I think they have it in, so we'll go through those. We'll pick it out, take it home, show you how to use it. Hey, there's some of the Adventure Force cars right there. There they are, the Nano Racers, right there. Howdy, we're back from Walmart. Picked up another one of their Adventure Force RC cars. This one is the Adventure Force Nano Racer. It's called Ford Bronco. Alright, it's interesting. We'll get it out and show you how to use it. Okay, let's open it up. See what we can do here. Alright, there's one of the sides right there. Comes out. We got to cut the tie downs right there. Right there. Right there. There's our car. There's our transmitter. Alright. Let's put some batteries in it. See if we got any charge in the car. It uses 2 AA's on the transmitter. Right there. Right there. Okay. On off switch on the car right here. Turn it on, see if it's got any power in it. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, we'll get it down here in the floor in a few minutes and show you how it operates. So, here's your instructions that came with it. Tells you how to charge it, drive it, control it and all. How to charge it. Alright. To charge it, right here you have your charger, okay? It's on the bottom of the car right in front of the on-off switch. Only goes in one way, like that. Be sure the car is off. You see your red lights on your transmitter, it means it's charging. So we'll get it charged. We'll get it down and show you how to run it. Alright, you can see the light's gone off on the transmitter, means the battery's charged on the car, so we'll unplug it, turn that back down out of the way. On the bottom here is your on-off switch right there, see it? Turn your switch on your car, set your car down, and watch it go. See his lights coming on? If you back it up, his backup lights come on. That thing does go, doesn't it? Takes about 6 to 8 minutes to charge it, it said. Whoop. There's his backup light. Whoop. Headlights, see there? Backup lights. Now, if your car's not going straight, there is a control right here on the bottom. Right there, see it? You can move that back and forth to straighten your wheels out. Align it, so that's how you do that. Ford Bronco, alright. Check out some of the other ones I have. I have all the other 3 or 4, whatever they've got. The Mustang, there's a Camaro, Corvette, a Jeep. Whoop. Alright, a lot of fun. And that's how it works. So we'll see you next time.